So I normally like to start off by filing my nails, and I just do that to make it smoother and allow for easy application of the nail extensions. So after I'm done filing my nails down, I like to go in with a nail clipper and just cut them short. I don't like my nails to be long when I have nail extensions, so I always make sure to file them down and then clip the nails. After that, just go in with a light nail polish remover and just make everything clean and have a nice even base to work with, and get rid of all the dust, the nail dust that came off during the filing. So now I have a nice even base to work with. I like to go in and start with the nail extensions, and I'm using the nail extensions from Kiss. I found this at the mall and they're really inexpensive. So now I'm just going to go in and try to match the nail extensions with my nails, just see which one fits where, since this is actually my first time trying this. So I'm just going to go in and see which ones would be better suited for each finger, and once I find it, then I go in with the glue and I fix it on the nails. I just repeat the same process for all my fingers until I find which nail extensions goes with which finger, and then I set it aside and start gluing them to my finger. I'm just attaching the glue now. I'm just fixing the glue now, and I'm gonna just put that on my finger and I press it down for a couple of seconds until it's fixed. It doesn't give or anything. I just let that hold for a couple of seconds before I let it go. So I'm done with my thumb. I just go ahead and I repeat the process for my entire hand. Now I'm just going in with my nail file again, and I am just gonna be filing down the nail extensions because they're just a bit bulky at the top. So I'm just going to smooth them down just to make them look more natural, and then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to shape the nails. The nails already come in an oval shape, but I wanted it to have a more coffin-like look to them. So after I'm done filing down the top, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to shape it into more of a square oval. I repeat the same thing for all my fingers until I have the desired shape that I was going for. That's what they look like once I'm done filing them down and shaping it the way that I want. I am pretty pleased with this, so I'm going to apply my nail polish, and I was trying to go for a more natural finish, so I'm just going to be using a clear coat of nail polish to apply over my nails. You can use whatever colors that you like. I wasn't really feeling red or nude, so I just decided to make it more natural, which is why I went for a clear coat. And that's basically it. That's how I do my nails myself at home. It's really easy. It just takes a lot of time and a lot of patience, but I think anybody can do this, definitely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found it informative. Check out some of my other videos, and I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by this month's end, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. I love you guys so much for supporting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.